All right, real quick, I just want to show you that I set the default. Betty had asked when we first got this, and I wasn't sure how to do it, but I've figured out how to do it. Is we used to have on SongShow kind of a generic template that was applied to everything when we imported stuff, and so I figured out how to do that with this. So if you go up to Media and Create Media, you can create a template. I'll show you how to do this in a second, but you can create a template for any one of the different types of content that Proclaim does. And then you can go up to Settings and Display and Default Media. Setting, Display, Default Media, and now you can see for each of these types of default media, you can choose what you want it to be, right? So here I have set it to be Cornerstone Standard for songs. Okay, so that means if you go up to Add Item and go to Song, when we go to Song, and if I just type Amazing Grace, here I'm going to import this song, it's going to import it with the Cornerstone Standard media, which is that. Now what this is there's no background, right? We can go in and change that, but this is formatted so the font and the text size and everything is in theory the way we want it. So then if I wanted to change the background, I can just go to the song. So then all I'm doing is picking the background as opposed to doing all the formatting of all the words and everything like that, which you might still want to do, like if the line is too long or something, but this would be true for anything. So what is that song? Remember that old song, River of Life? I've got a river of life flowing, river of life. This is good enough. Oh, actually, I think I saw it down there. So anytime I import a song, it's gonna grab that. It's gonna grab that template, and we can change that. So if you guys decide that you like a different kind of background or something, or you want a different kind of template, we can go ahead and change that, and I'll show you in a second. And then this is gonna be I want that river of life. There it is. That's not the same song, but it's a song. And then I think I can just multi-select. Yep. So then if you control click, or if you shift click the group, so if I click this first one and I hold shift and click this, it's going to select all of them. Or if I click away, if I click one of them, it'll go back to one. Or if I control click, you can multi-click. The point being, you select multiple ones, and then you can just set the background to whatever you want. So if you want to go to Browse Media, and then go to Song, and then if I clicked on, doesn't matter, this, and then I can set Apply as background. That'll apply that background to all of these songs all at once. So with that, you have the default template that's pulling in all your font and text to be sized and set correctly, and then you can just multi-select and set the background to all of those things, and that should save you a couple steps. And if you do want to edit or create your own smart media to import as a template, all you have to do is come over here, select song, hit choose, and then over here on the left you have all of the different parts of the song, that is, and then you can just set it. So here I'm selecting the lyrics, and then I can change the font size to whatever, and then you can set it to be like the top center, and then whatever font type, right? And then if I wanted to add a background and just like gray, just for something to be there, that's it. And then I just hit save. It'll give me the option to name it. I'll say sample template, and that's it. Save it. So now the name of that template is what I'll use to search for it. So once it saves, I'll say go to Browse Media. So sample template, see how that's right there? So if I clicked on this song and I wanted to change the background, I'd go to Browse Media, and I could just type right here, sample template. And there's my template. And again, if you wanted to set that as a default, you just go to Settings, Display, Default Media, and here we would hit Background, Browse Media, and the same exact thing. Every time you go up to that media browser, it's actually right here, but we can sample media template. Yep, so there's my sample template. And I could select that, which I won't because we want that one. So that's it. I hope it's helpful. Thanks.